Hey Resonators, okay, so I found another AmITheAsshole story that I wanted to share with you guys today. This one is pretty short, but still super dramatic. You guys let me know what you think and you be the judge. Okay, so this one is called, Am I the a-hole for not paying any child support? See, this is one of the ones that right off the bat, I want to say obviously they're the a-hole, but usually these stories surprise me, so let's find out. My ex-girlfriend Claire, 35 female, got pregnant while we were dating. Although she told me she just wanted to be friends, I was ready to be a father. However, she met someone else, Becca, who didn't want me around. So they asked me to cancel my paternal rights. Whoa. Immediately, if somebody asks you to cancel your paternal rights, there's a problem. At the time, I was torn because I wanted to be there for my child. But I also felt that if they didn't want me around, it was best to waive my rights. After fighting for a while, I eventually gave up because it was clear that they did not want me there. Fast forward 13 years later, Claire and Becca are going through some stuff and they want me to start paying child support. However, the court had already ruled that since I waived my paternal rights, I'm not legally obliged to pay anything. Despite this, Claire is calling me a bastard and a deadbeat. She even went as far as to call my family and get them involved. While I understand her frustration, I don't think it's appropriate for her to be involving my family in this matter. So am I the a-hole here? Oh, wow, Claire, really? For her to have the audacity to tell him to waive his paternal rights, and then when stuff gets rough, she wants to ask for some money? Really? That is just... It's people like her that give us women a bad name. She should have let this man be part of her child's life from the beginning. And if you only want him to be involved now that you need money, then there's clearly a problem there. So the number one comment with 36,000 likes got deleted, so I can't find out what it said, which sucks. But the next comment with 11,000 likes says, Not the a-hole. They didn't want you to be a dad, so you aren't a dad. They only regret their decision now because they need the money. If you consider helping out financially, you need to insist that you also be allowed to have a relationship with your kid, with no secrets about why you haven't been around. The kid deserves to know that the only reason you weren't around is because of their moms. And I love this comment. It's so true. Like, I would almost consider helping out my child if they needed it, but I'm going to be in my kid's life. You better believe it. What the hell? So for this one, okay, obviously I have to say that OP isn't really the a-hole, but a little bit. I got to give OP a few points on the a-hole scale only because I am not going to let somebody push me out of my kid's life. I would have been fighting to be in my child's life. Are you kidding me? So OP gets a 3 out of 10 for me. And then the moms get a big fat 10 out of 10. I literally can't stand them. Anybody that takes someone's kids away from them sucks. So let me know what you guys think and drop their a-hole rating on a scale of 1 to 10 in the comments. Also, guys, I got another new mode. Oh my gosh, guys. I had to test this one out with some extra resin, as I always do. And this one just came out so cute. I cannot wait to try this again with another color combination. You know, pink is like my favorite color, so of course I had to pour my pink pearls in there, and I think this came out so cute. So let me know in the comments, what color should I use for the next bowl? Okay, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Deuces!